Hey folks, Bill here from Survival War. Thank you for joining me today. Got another video for you on. So, as you guys know, one of the big things I like doing here on Instagram and YouTube is kind of showing value options for people looking to get into the outdoors, practice bushcraft and wilderness survival skills. You guys have seen I went over knives like this, the Jorgensen utility knife. I still don't know if there's a better value knife on the market in general, better than Mora's everything than that knife. So, with that in mind, I had another value option I wanted to show today. Sorry, there's all kinds of black flies and stuff out here in Southwest Pennsylvania. My main place, this area is just generally a high level for Pennsylvania, high altitude bog. So we got black flies, puddles everywhere. So it's a little tougher up here. But with that, the knife I want to talk about today is the SlicKnives Kepper 5. This is made by the company SlicKnives. They don't actually produce the knives. They contract it, OEM them out to a company called Cudeman out of Spain. You can see SlicKnives Kepper 5, and you can see it has some residue from me using it today, making the fire for lunch. It is 14C 28N stainless steel. Does have a little bit of jimping up there. Has a nice 90-degree spine for scraping a ferro rod, and wood for shavings, making a fire, carving, whatever it may be. Brown micarta handle, black liners. It is a full tang with a lanyard hole and stainless hardware. So put that away for a sec and tell you about this. So the big reason I love this knife, and it's not by any means the only reason, is the fact that it's under $100. You can get the knife and the leather sheath, not the dangler. The dangler is an accessory purchased separately. But the knife and leather sheath with ferro rod attached for under $100 from SlicKnives. So that gives you a high quality, very well finished, very sharp, nicely made Kephart knife that is perfect for practicing bushcraft, wilderness survival skills. You can use this as a hunting knife, whatever it may be. This can be your only knife, and you will not be sad about that. This is a fantastic knife. I love it. You've seen me carry my Blackbird SK5 from Ontario everywhere. This is as quality and as nice of knife as that. The only thing I like about that, the handle on the Blackbird is a little bigger for me. So I do like that more. But this is right up there with it at this point. This is not an American knife. Made knife. It is made in, see if you can see it there, Spain, by Cudeman Knives. Now, if you go on Cudeman's website, you can see they make high quality blades over there, fixed blades, folders, all that. And you're not getting a lesser knife because this is not made in the US. That is a fact. I've seen USA made knives that are not as good quality as this coming off the floor. And even from a company I love in Ontario, they've made knives that cost more that are not as good a quality as this. It's just the truth. So, with that, at $99 and some change, so under $100, I believe firmly, for me, for my money, in my opinion, that SlicKnives are the best value knife company out there right now. You'll see I have a Curve 4.5 coming up here soon that I've been working on and testing it out of N690 steel. This one being stainless, same as that one. But I've tried both. I plan on getting the other two they have in the model, the clip point and the hunter style knife, by end of summer here and trying them out and give you guys a full review on the whole line. But as it stands right now, at under $100, I don't think you can get a better knife for the price. And that's from SlicKnives. This is the Kepper 5. Full disclosure, this was sent to me. I had liked a couple things on SlicKnives posts, commented on some stuff saying how I like this design. And Brendan, the founder of the company, reached out to me, asked me if I wanted to try it, and took him up on the offer, and have been nothing but pleasantly and very surprised ever since. He's a fantastic man, runs a solid company with good customer service, good options. You can get black G10 or the brown micarta handles on the knives, and he keeps them at a very good price point, which matters. I want more people to be able to get out, and a lot of people look at knives, they see that they can cost hundreds of dollars, and it just limits them. Having this great option under $100, while it's not necessarily necessary, you can get by on a cheaper knife, helps a lot of people get that quality knife and get out in the woods. So big kudos to Brendan for running this company the way he does, offering a quality product at a great price, and standing behind their product. I have beat the ever loving crap out of this for the past few months because I've never had a Cudeman knife, one that's made in Spain. So before I brought it to you people, I had to know this was tough and couldn't be able to hold up. And you guys have seen the post. I've split a ton of wood, done carving with it, tri sticks, set traps, done all the fun stuff with this, and it's a fantastic knife. And that 14C 28N steel takes a nice razor edge. This thing is a nice little lightsaber. It's not overly thick. Has a nice jimping there. Well, not my favorite thing. I would prefer that be straight back spine there for doing scrapings. Doesn't bother me. Doesn't hinder the use of the knife at all. So guys, keep that in mind. I hope you enjoyed this video. I know I don't do the adventure vids and stuff as much as I used to, but you'll see if you follow me on Instagram or Facebook or Bushcraft USA, all the photos from the outing today and stuff like that. There are a lot of better filmmakers out there. If you want to see that, you're better off going to them. I'm just trying to bring you some solid information on some stuff I know, share my experiences, and do that for you guys. So thank you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please go check out the Kepper 5 from SlicKnives. Under $100, guys. You cannot beat that. So as always, thank you. I appreciate all my followers, subscribers, everybody who likes, shares the post, and comments. We have the conversations underneath. We're just past 4,600 subscribers. We're coming up over 12,000 on Instagram. And guys, you've made this journey so much fun. From doing this before, doing Instagram and YouTube before, just didn't enjoy it as much as I have this time around. So thank you, everybody. I love the conversations, love talking to you folks. And until next time, go check out the SlicKnives Kepper 5. For my money, the best value fixed blade on the market. If money's tight or you just want to try something new at a good price, go check this out, guys. The Kepper 5 from SlicKnives. Thank you, and I'll see you next time. Until then, stay safe.